Hi mga besh, good afternoon. I hope you're all doing well. And then in today's video, gagamitin ko na yung air fryer ko na natanggap ko during Christmas. And may isa tayong bestie na nag-request na ipakita ko or i-vlog ko when I'm using the air fryer. Actually, binili to ni Habi, I think more than a month ago, but hindi ko pa talaga siya nagamit. So this will be my first time to use it. So I'm going to do a little bit review about it. So let's start mga besh. So ito na yung box niya mga besh. As you can see, it's a Philips air fryer. So yan siya, and then at the back, so ganyan. So let's go to the itself na air fryer mga besh. Ito na siya, hindi masyadong halata, but anyway, ilagay ko na lang yung kanyang measurement dito mga besh. And then here is ito na yung temperature. Dito mo ma-change yung temperature kung how heat you want it to be, but baka hindi makapagsalita today. And then here is the timer, and then yung back niya is dito lalabas yung hangin mga besh. So when you place this air fryer, it should be 10 centimeter yung agwat sa, how do you say it, in the wall. It should be 10 minutes yung agwat from the wall to this air fryer mga besh, para makalabas yung mga hangin niya. And then here is the plug. Ayan siya mga besh, anong tawag niyan? Nabibira, charot. Pwede mo lang siyang hilahin mga besh. So yan yung sa back side. And then dito, it says in the manual na hindi mo lalagyan ng anything else dito when you using it. And also, it's the same thing with here. It should be 10 centimeter allowance yung ibibigay mo, and it's the same in front. So yan mga besh. And so ayan siya mga besh. We open it. It's easier if you put your thumb here, para easier lang mga besh. Parang pinupush mo siya, but of course you can do like this. But for me, I think gusto ko yung ganito, parang napupush ko. So that is the inside. So ito hindi ko nakita sa manual anong use nito, pero nanood ako ng video and it says na pwede kang mag-bake dito. Ito yung gamitin mo as it is. Pero hindi, like I said, hindi ko nakita sa manual. So yan siya mga besh. And then if you want to use it, this is how it looks like. Hindi dito ka na magpa-fry ng french fries, chicken, whatever you want to fry. And then dito mga besh, dito earlier there is parang warning yung black na nakalagay dyan. Akala ko dito is nagwa-warm siya. It actually not. It should be for it. I mean, pag hinawakan mo is mainit. Hindi siya mga besh. Yung warning niya is, let me show you. Ang hirap mag-vlog mga besh while talking. Kasi ito natatanggal to itself. So this one will separate from this and this one. So you will push this, ito na button dito, ipupush mo siya to take this one out. So importante na ito is nakalatag siya somewhere. You cannot just grab this one and then press this one and then pang, you will get, this will be on the floor and it will be broken mga besh. So that is the warning na dapat ilagay mo siya somewhere before taking this one out. I know na alam nyo na to, but it's better na I mention it here mga besh. This one, you can wash it in this machine. And then yung isa din, and then dito hindi mo siya pwedeng lutuan. So yan mga besh. Lagay natin uli. Ito na yung manual niya. Actually, hindi masyadong marami. This paper is mostly saying ano yung magagawa mo or hindi mo dapat gawin. And then actually, this is it. Ito yung manual niya mga besh. Oh, ang bilis lang niya. Yan. And then, there's another one. Dito siya, itong maliit na papel is instruction, ilang temperature yung ilalagay mo and ilang minuto siya dapat nandyan. So, you can see there's a burger, there's a stick, hot dog, chicken, and then at the back also. So, ayan siya mga besh. And then yung first time na lulutuin natin sa ating air fryer is this sweet potato as a french fries, and then we have lumpia. Yung ingredients sa loob is actually luto na. So yung lulutuin na lang natin sa air fryer is itong wrapper niya mga besh, and we have a chicken for Camila. So let's do this, and balitaan ko kayo each kung ano na ba, kung okay ba siya mga besh. And we'll really see it if it's worth it na bilhin siya kahit may oven na kayo. When I think about it, para lang siyang oven pero maliit na version. But we'll see if it's worth it. So, let's start the air frying mga besh. Ayan na, nasa loob na yung lumpia natin besh. Take note na maingay siya mga besh. Can you hear this? Maingay siya because I think the air is working already. So, maingay siya mga besh. So, you know. So, hintayin natin mga besh. Hi mga besh, while waiting na maluto yung lumpia natin, I get idea. Since marami yung putahin natin, so I thought, why not compare the air fryer versus ng oven sa ating mga putahe. So we can really see if it makes different between using air fryer or okay lang na oven na lang mga besh pag walang budget sa air fryer. Ito na besh yung lumpia natin mga besh. So as you can see, it's brown na siya mga besh and matigas na siya. I will taste it kung luto na ba siya. I don't like to put it more on the air fryer kasi baka masunog na siya mga besh. So tikman natin siya mga besh kung okay siya. Pagpasinsahan nyo na talaga yung ingay from the air fryer mga besh ha, kasi hindi din ako makapunta dun sa living room kasi nanonood si Camila ng TV. But anyway, it's actually very crispy. It's actually good. Ano lang siya? Compared to the normal na lumpia, dry lang siya. Wala siyang, yung wrapper niya is walang anong tawag niyan? Walang liquid as in, but it's really crispy mga besh. So, it's thumbs up sa ating lumpia cook in air fryer, if you can say that. So, yun mga besh. So far, so good. So, we'll see kasi this time, french fries na yung nilagay natin sa air fryer. So, we'll see mga besh. I'll get back to you later.
Alright.
Ito na yung french fries mga besh. It's already golden brown as you can see, and then i-taste natin mga besh.
Look at it, look at it.
I'm going to taste first. Not bad.
Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Hot.
Not bad, she said.
Menar du spice?
Natin ang french fries mga besh. Ang ingay ng family ko, pasensya na mga besh ha.
Mycket trevligt.
It's actually not bad.
Ja.
But I think kailangan siya ng counting oil mga besh kasi masyado siyang dry. So, tips, lagyan nyo ng counting oil before nyo ilagay sa air fryer yung french fries mga besh. So, this is okay.
This is okay indeed.
So, ayan mga besh, it's time for them to be in oven na mga besh. So, ito na naman yung itry natin. Kasi, ito yung second natin na lumpia mga besh, and it's already brown. Compare sa ating lumpia sa oven is actually a little bit brown din, pero mas browner yung nasa air fryer. Actually, yung air fryer natin and yung oven natin, it's both new ones. So, I can see na yung air fryer is madali siyang nag-brown yung lumpia, pero hindi dito sa oven mga besh. So, alam nyo. Of course, depending on your oven kung ano din siya, baka matagal na siya. So, depende dun din mga besh. And tumatawa ako kasi sabi ko nakatingin sa akin while I'm talking to the vlog. Isang tip mga besh, wag nyo siyang punuin yung sa mga para makalabas pa yung parang hangin niya. So, wag nyo punuin yung french fries niyo para makalabas yung hangin and it will cook properly mga besh. Ayan mga besh, this time yung last na lulutuin natin is yung chicken natin. So, yan siya mga besh. So, ito na yung lumpia natin na niluto ko through sa oven. So, tikman natin mga besh. And I already feel this one compare sa air fryer. Parehas lang actually sila ng pagka crispy mga besh. So, tikman natin. So, ito yung sa oven na niluto na lumpia. I can say na wala silang different na lutuin yung lumpia sa air fryer and sa oven. Parehas lang sila mga best. The only convenient is mas maganda yung air fryer kasi ang bilis niyang maluto mga best. Ang bilis ng lumpia maluto. I think it took more than twice yung sa oven bago maluto yung lumpia sa oven, pero yung air fryer ang bilis mga best. So yan lang yung nakaganda sa air fryer. So let's test the price from cook. Would you say cook mga besh? Actually parehas lang din. The only different is the time. So yun mga besh, tingnan natin yung chicken natin kung luto na. Yung chicken natin na for the oven, it's already on. This will be in there for 20 to 25 minutes depending mga besh kung luto na yung sa loob niya. Kasi minsan sunog na yung sa surface pero yung sa loob niya may dugo pa. So yan mga besh, hintayin natin yan. Ayan na yung chicken natin besh, medyo sunog siya kasi ito na ano ko na siya, na try ko na siya, which is luto na yung sa ibabaw niya, medyo sunog na nga, pero yung sa ilalim niya is hindi pa luto. So I need to put it a little bit more time. So naging ganyan yan sa mga besh, pero hindi naman siya yung sunog na sunog, but maybe you need to slow down yung ano nyo, yung air fryer nyo, kasi this is in 180 degrees ko nilagay. So maybe 160 it's okay because then it will slow the cook. But ito medyo naging ganyan siya kasi yan yung nakalagay sa manual niya na dapat 180 Celsius. So yan mga besh, tikman natin siya mga besh, but it's very quickly. I think I cook it for less than 20 minutes mga besh. It looks sunog like I said, pero we'll see yung sa loob niya. Ang hirap mag-vlog mga besh. Oy, ayan mga besh, hiniwa ko na siya and it's actually ready. Wala na siyang mga dugo-dugo kahit dun sa pinakailalim ng manok. But like I said, it's a little bit burn, but hindi naman masyadong sunog. Okay naman siyang kainin, pero I don't think so it's good to eat this, yung may sunog. So yan mga besh, tikman natin. It is actually very soft and juicy mga besh. Tikman natin siya mga besh. It's actually very soft and moist mga besh. Masarap siya and wala siyang kamantika-mantika. Yung napipil ko lang na mantika is from its own, yung balat ng chicken, doon ko lang napipil, pero it's actually very good and it gives you the kind of feeling that it's very healthy na chicken kasi hindi siya prinay sa mantika. So yes mga besh, so far so good. So hihintayin natin yung chicken na niluto ko din sa oven kasi i-compare natin sila mga besh. Ayan mga besh, yung sa oven na chicken, it took it for 30 minutes siyang naluto mga besh. And yung sa air fryer is 25 minutes. So hindi naman masyadong malayo yung time nila. And then now, on the spot mga besh, we can see na hindi siya burn like the one we fry in the air fryer. Ito hindi siya burn mga besh. Ayan ang difference mga besh. It looks not so nice. But anyway, this is one chicken from the air fryer. And this is from the oven. So obviously, mas magandang tingnan yung sa oven niluto kaysa sa air fryer. But of course, like I said earlier, you can lower down your heat kasi 180 yung nilagay ko, so you can put it maybe 150 or 170 para hindi maging sunog mga besh. So suggestion nyo yung mga tips ko mga besh. So tikman na natin tong ginawa from chicken from oven mga besh. Ayan na mga besh, it is the same, it's juicy and soft. So tikman na natin mga besh. Tikman natin yung chicken from oven. It's actually masarap din siya. It's almost comparable sa sa chicken na niluto sa air fryer. So I don't see a big difference between them except yung nasunog lang yung balat sa air fryer mga besh. But like I said, you can lower down the heat. Paulit-ulit na lang. So yun mga besh. Sasabihin ko na yung final thought ko about this. Actually mga best, sinulat ko yung mga na-discover ko because like I said earlier, it was my first time using this air fryer. So sasabihin ko yung pros ng air fryer. Yung pros ng air fryer is it's easy to use. Actually, it's very easy to use, and yung french fries and yung lumpia, ang bilis nilang naluto. Compared to the suggestion dito mga besh. Asa na yung maliit na papel? Ito mga besh. This one, don't always rely on this because sometimes they can be cooked earlier and sometimes they could be you need to cook them a little bit longer. So yung tip ko dito is check it time to time because it's also depending on your liking. Kasi yung chicken ko, for example, I like it a bit more cooked. Kasi yung iba, gusto nila little soft but as long as na walang yung blood. So it's okay. Now for me, I want it a little bit more cooked. So that's why maybe it took for me for a while to cook the chicken. Okay, this is very convenient kasi madali siyang gamitin, but I don't suggest it na if marami kayo sa bahay is it will take time for it kasi maliit lang yung sa akin. I'm not sure which size is that, pero kung dalawa lang kayo sa bahay, it's very easy to use and convenient. Pero yung gagamitin nyo for party, I don't think so na it will take long time for you to cook, but in the other hand, it's very quickly. But like I said, depending on the food na niluluto nyo mga best. Pasensya na ha kasi tumitingin ako sa aking tinake note, and one reason why I bought the air fryer is because it's healthier. Hindi na kailangan gumamit ng oil, which is also the same with the oven. You also actually don't need to use oil on it. Okay, and then yung con is maingay siya, as in maingay siya mga besh. Pag naka-on siya talagang, I think you were going to hear it on my background pag nakita nyo tong vlog. Medyo annoying siya, so pasensya na mga besh kung maingay siya. Which is, like I said, that is the con on the air fryer kasi maingay talaga siya mga besh. The second con is pag yung chicken ko earlier kasi matagal na siya dalawang ulit ako dalawang round ako na naglagay ng chicken sa air fryer, and it started actually to may lumalabas na ng mga usok mga besh, which is it actually makes me a little bit panic kasi nga first time kong gamitin siya. So nagpanic ako ng kaunti kasi may lumalabas na usok. So I thought, ay baka nasunog na yun mga besh, but it's actually normal kasi nga may mantika na sa loob, and then the chicken when you cook it longer kasi pag niluluto na yung chicken, nagpo-produce na siya ng water, liquid, and then oil. So I think that is the reason na nagkakaroon na ng may lumalabas na ng mga usok mga besh. But don't panic, but I suggest na i-check nyo time to time kasi ako natakot ako bigla na nakita ko, uy ano ba to, may lumalabas na ng usok, akala ko nasunog na or i-plan out ko na. But don't you worry, like I said, sa oil lang yun at saka liquid niya mga besh, but check it time to time. And I suggest na pag nagluluto kayo ng something, just check it on the time to time. Kasi pag, for example, yung chicken, 15 to 18 minutes yung suggestion dito, which is in like 5 minutes, meron na siyang sunog mga besh. So you need to flip it na mga besh. And like I said, you need to lower down yung heat niya mga besh. So I guess that's it for this vlog mga besh. I hope this is helpful, and when it comes to this time, if you compare it to the air fryer and oven, I think it actually doesn't make so much different between air fryer and oven. Kung may oven kayo, I suggest na huwag na lang kayo bumili ng air fryer mga besh. But ano lang kasi siya ngayon, hit na hit siya, parang usong-uso yung air fryer kasi nga healthier. But when it comes to oven, healthier naman siya mga besh, no? So I suggest kung may oven kayo, i-save nyo na lang yung pera nyo mga besh, because it's almost the same thing actually. It doesn't make so much different Kasi as you can see on the previous na pinagsasabi ko while tasting it and tasting yung mga ginawa ko, the only problem is yung oven is take a little longer than yung air fryer. Yung air fryer, I'm actually really impressed how quickly, as in quickly. Of course, I don't know because it's new one, so that's why it's quickly. Of course, I don't know if it's the reason why it cook the food quicker. I was really actually impressed. Yung lumpia ko, ang bilis lang niya mga best. So, yeah, and oven, it will take time, but it's only patient. Maybe not so much different, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Excited lang kasi akong gamitin yung air fryers, that's why. So, yun mga best. So, save your money buying air fryer. Pero pag gustong-gusto nyo, buy it mga best. It's actually fun doing food and it's very easier, quicker to do it. So, yun mga besh. I hope nakahelp tong video ko for you to decide if you want to buy the air fryer. Of course, there are other brand na medyo hindi masyadong mataas yung presyo. Start from the not so popular brand mga best, and then later on if you think na, oh maganda to, I like it, then invest to the good brand. So, yun mga besh. Like I said, I hope nakahelp tong vlog ko and ang taas ng review na ito, but I guess it's worth it for me at least. So, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click na din nyo yung notification bell para ma-update kayo sa ating mga bagong upload. And this year, I try my best to upload 3 times a week mga best. So, thank you very much and I will see you on my next vlog mga best. Bye! You take care!